is breathing again. I don't know if I'm awake or finally dreaming. Every night I close my eyes and the war begins again. Same halls, same shadows, same voices in my head. I used to chase the morning, I used to beg for light. Now I only want the darkness to finally hold me tight.
Sleep was my escape.
Now it's another battlefield.
Every nightmare has a face.
Every scar is something real. I keep searching for the silence,
But my mind won't let me rest.
the alarm keeps getting louder inside my broken chest. I used to fear the darkness, now I call its name. I used to run from nightmares, now I miss the pain. Because exhaustion feels like mercy and sleep feels like a cure. But every time I reach the door, something pulls me back before.
I wanna sleep. I wanna rest.
I want one night without a war inside my head.
Red lights flashing.
The panel screams.
Warning signs inside my dreams.
How do you fix what was never made? How do you heal a system that failed?
No repair found.
No parts remain.
Just a broken heart running through the pain.
I remember peace. I remember who I was before the alarms. Before I stitched the cracks with borrowed thread, held together what was left. Every piece I tried to save slowly slipped away again. I searched inside the empty rooms, looking for a missing part. But the piece that made me whole was never in the design.
from the start. I stood at the door. I held back the night
I became the monster.
so you could survive. I carried the fear. I run.